Was my 3 burger and fries worth it? He also gave me some free lucky blocks to open. Doug.
Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew,
Lucky block.
when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall.
Subscribe if you love your grandma.